Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable use Fingerprint Samsung Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Now in here, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. After that, tap on use fingerprint. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And then put in your Samsung Blockchain Keystore pin. So I'll put in 789654. And now I have unlocked that, so I'm going to verify with fingerprint. And that's it. That is how you can switch it on or turn it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.